Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe for daily practice and change your life. This is the story of a small boy with a big dream. A story that will remind you never to give up, no matter how small you are or how difficult the path is. So sit back, relax, and listen carefully, because this short story may inspire you to achieve your own dreams. Once upon a time, in a small village, there was a tall mountain. Its peak touched the clouds. In this village lived a young boy named Arjun. He was thin, weak, and only 12 years old. But inside his small heart lived a very big dream. Every evening, Arjun would sit outside his house and look at the mountain. With shining eyes, he whispered, "One day, I will climb to the very top." But the villagers laughed at him. "Arjun, you are too small," they said. "Your legs are weak. You will never reach the top." Even his friends told him to give up, but Arjun believed, step by step, even the highest mountain can be climbed. The next morning, before sunrise, Arjun tied a rope around his waist, placed some bread in a small bag, and stood at the foot of the mountain. With courage in his heart, he began his journey. The path was hard. His feet slipped on stones. His hands were cut by sharp rocks. Many times he fell. Many times he wanted to stop. But whenever he looked up at the peak, he told himself, "If I take just one more step, I'm closer than yesterday." Hours passed. His body was tired. His legs were shaking. He sat on a rock, ate a little bread, and closed his eyes. But he never turned back. He knew, rest is not failure, it is part of the journey. And finally, as the sun was setting, Arjun reached the peak. High above the clouds, he spread his arms wide. The wind touched his face. The whole world lay small beneath him. With tears in his eyes, he whispered, "I did it." The next day, when Arjun returned to the village, no one laughed. Instead, they clapped their hands and said, "Arjun, you have shown us that nothing is impossible if the heart is strong." From that day, the mountain was no longer a symbol of fear. It became a symbol of courage. A small boy had proved, step by step, dream by dream, anyone can reach the top. Never give up on your dream. No matter how small you are, no matter how hard the path is, if you keep moving forward, step by step, you can achieve anything